Hello, my name is Eduardo Garcia.
Hello, I am Aging Silvestre.
I'm Luis Lukin.
I'm Jordan Vang.
I'm David Jones.
And we are the Sunny Bunnies.
The reason why we chose this tier is to reduce the carbon footprint, encourage the community to use green methods of energy, and to allow the student to discover the benefit of solar power.
Our first objective for this task is that we want to modify our school's energy efficiency by implementing solar panels on the roof of our school. And we must do that by January 1st, 2021, as California will not provide tax credit to users after that date. Our second objective is to form a plan to save Buena HS's money over a period of time while switching to solar panels. The return on investment is 25 years for each 5 kilowatt system, averaging $1,400. We calculated 48 light bulbs, 40 Chromebooks, 1 projector, and 1 Mac. And this data was determined from our teacher, Mr. York, and through a kilowatt meter.
So, we found that the Chromebooks as a collective used the most power in our classroom, and the projector used the least amount of power.
Our classroom uses approximately 37.9 kilowatt hours of power. We were surprised that the Chromebooks took so much power to charge even though they were all charged on 1 unit.
In a typical classroom, 56% of the energy use is coming from lighting and office equipment, but in our classroom, lighting and office equipment takes up around 100% of the energy use.
Ways that we could decrease the power used in the classroom is to turn off the lights when not needed and to open the window blinds.
So for our billing plan, all of our calculations are right there on the screen. But basically, our first step is to save a certain amount of money every year, which we calculated approximately about $7,000 every year. And we also calculated that each system would save the school about $624 every year. And we determined that each 5 kilowatt system will cost about $14,000.
So our evaluations would be, we would know our proposal works because we would see a reduction in the electric bill by X% over a period of time. And in order for us to communicate this, our first method would be to present our proposal to a city council meeting. And then our second method would be to create an Instagram page named Sunny Bunny and have it promote Buena's solar panel program.
And that is our presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.